Hey guys, welcome back to the Bondi Harvest Healthy Gut series. Today we're going to be doing a beautiful crispy chicken dish, and we've got these beautiful greens which we're using chicory today, and these Dutch carrots which we're going to braise in the chicken juices and a bit of bone broth. This recipe uses chicory, which is a kind of harsh green. It's really good for your gut. It's prebiotic, which means it feeds the gut bacteria. It can be quite bitter when it's eaten raw, so what we've done is cooked it for a long time in those beautiful juices from the pan, a bit of broth for more of that gut healing goodness. Serve it straight to the table and it always looks good. Super easy, weeknight dinner. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is we've got these chicken Marylands here, which is the thigh and the leg of the chicken. Skin on, bone in, all the good stuff. And we've got these three beautiful spices: cinnamon, caraway seeds and cumin. And we're going to rub that into the chicken with a bit of salt and pepper. Roughly chop the chicory into kind of small bits. The larger leaves I can leave bigger, but once I start getting to those thick roots, I'll start coming in tighter. And with these carrots, I'm going to leave the kind of tops on them. I'm just going to chop kind of like there. They're pretty small. If you've got quite big ones like these, maybe chop them in half so they cook for the same time. All right, so I've just got this really big pan heating up. You want it to be quite hot because we're going to put the chicken down, skin side down, try and crisp it up. And you want a kind of large, heavy based pan, and it's going to be oven proof as well because it's going to go in the oven afterwards. A little bit of oil in a hot pan. So I'm just going to leave it here, let that skin crisp up. Goes on for about 7 to 8 minutes. Just have a check to make sure it doesn't burn. That's exactly what you want. Then they're going to go on the other side for about 5 minutes, and I'm going to put them on the plate so we can put the veggies in. They won't be cooked through entirely, but they're going to go back on top and then into the oven, which is when they'll finish cooking. Got these beautiful chicory, and in with all those beautiful carrots as well. And the tarragon. So I'm going to roughly tear off a few leaves and then just chuck in the whole stalk. All right, so once they've kind of coated in the juices of the pan, we're going to pour in the broth. And it just makes it really full of flavour, and it allows those greens, those kind of tough stalks of those greens, to braise in that liquid, and just makes it taste better basically. And all the tarragon flavour as well will come through. So that's basically it. And then chicken goes back on top and then into the oven for about 35 to 40 minutes at 180 degrees or until the chicken's cooked. Just double check it. All right, and that's it. Straight to the table. Beautiful crispy chicken, rainbow carrots, chicory, so delicious. Enjoy.